What's up, YouTubers? This is gonna be like day 2 going down to San Bernardino junkyard to get another part for the car. I noticed yesterday when I was attempting to charge the AC, I noticed that there was a part that was busted off. I was wondering why I kept smelling fumes when I'd be like in a drive-through or something, or a stop, and then I noticed that it was broken, and so anyway, I'm gonna go down there, get that piece out of that junker and stick it on my car, and maybe we'll have a do-it-yourself successful video this time. But anyway, let's go and see what we can get on the Have It For Me channel. But first, I'm going to swing through the Golden Arches and see if they get my strawberry cream pie order correct this time. Because the last time I went through, I ordered 2 strawberry cream pies on the way to work with some other stuff, and I ate on the way to work, but I saved the pies for later when I got to work. And then when I got to work, I opened them up and they were apple pies, man. Apple pies. I don't like them. Anyway, I used to like them. Hello.
Hi, it's going to be $13.74. Thank you.
I hope she didn't hear me spit in my food. Anyway, on our way. Okay, so I'm back out at the junkyard today and got back to this car. Actually, Wanda found it. It's a white Escort. Here, I'll show you. We just turn the camera around. Okay, so this piece of my car, PVC valve, is broken, just like that. And I was wondering why I kept getting all the fumes and stuff like that, but guess what? On the car that's directly behind this one, the gold one, I found that same piece. It's going to go in like that. So it's going to replace. Well, you get the idea anyway. It's going to go like that. So that was pretty easy. Pulled it off of there. Put it down there. This is like the most fun weekend I've had in a long time. I just love going to the junkyard. Even though it was a little disappointing that I didn't get my AC working. I don't need that one. That's not good. I just grabbed that one just in case I couldn't find one. So, ooh, look at that, a Fiero. That's a rare car. Remember, what's his name? He used to have those. Anyway, he used to go to church in Oregon. Roberts. Anyway, that's a good day at the junkyard. Now I'll show you how I'm going to replace it when I get home. Okay, so, well, we've been gone all day, so it's nighttime right now. But I think I got this. So what I really need is, since this is the piece I was talking about earlier on my car. And as you can see, it's just broken right off. So I guess all I'm going to need for that is a rag and a pair of pliers. The rag is going to prevent that from getting all over me. So let's do the pliers first here. Get that off. Take this part off first. Do it one-handed. Got a minute here. It's so cooked on there. Let's see if I can pull it out. Yes. First part's on. Good. Put this down here on the floor. Don't want that. Alright, the next part is the oily part. That's what I'm going to use the rag to get it. I should just be able to pull on this. Pull it straight up. Yep. And voila. That piece comes out. Looks just like that one. Kind of. Kind of not. Oh, I see. I got it. So we can pull that little piece off. Alright, put that one down there. Okay, I am going to use both hands, so I will get back at you. So anyway, when I come back, it's going to be fixed. So I'm going to have this hooked up to there, and that piece is going to go on to that place down there. So that'll be done when I get back. So I'll be right back. All right, so I got that piece pushed down in there, and then now I just gotta back up there, and we'll be golden. Ta-da! That was the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation. Put the clip back on up there. And we are done. All right. And that's that. 1998 Ford Escort PVC and accompanying hoses repair or replace, actually. And I like that. I think I picked that up at Lowe's. Fry's, I'm not sure. Anyway, it was helped a lot. But so yeah, there we go. The success tonight, not like yesterday. But so anyway, that was it. Worked. Car started up. No more fumes, no more vapors. That's what I like. Maybe next weekend or something like that, we'll go and have the AC charged, because today's Saturday, but in work days, it's actually my Sunday, so I'll have to work tomorrow. But anyway, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Appreciate all the subscriptions. And don't forget to go there. There's my YouTube channel. You can check out a couple of these videos from earlier. And you guys have a great night. And we'll talk to you guys later on the Habit Forming channel.